everyone. Today we're giving flat product photos a more premium appearance. Begin with clean exposure. Products need accurate lighting to look believable. Add subtle contrast to bring out shape and structure. Strengthen reflections slightly if you want a sleek, commercial look. Remove dust, scratches, and imperfections to keep everything polished. Balance the colors so the product matches its real-life tone. Finally, sharpen edges gently to give that crisp catalog feel. High-quality product edits are all about precision. Thanks for watching. More professional editing guidance is coming.